Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a date picker in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. First, we take today's date. Also, we have a variable to store the result date. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have a column widget. Inside the column, first, we have a size box. This is used so that we can have some margin from the top end of the screen. Then we have a text widget to display the selected date. Then we have another sized box to create some empty space. Then we have an elevated button. When this button is clicked, we call the showDatePicker dialog function. This is the showDatePicker dialog function. Here we show a date picker dialog to the user. When the user selects a date, we store that result in the result variable. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a date picker in Flutter Android. Thank you.